Hi, to enable and disable camera timer on your Samsung Galaxy S25, just open your camera app and make sure you are in a photo mode. Now tap on those four dots and here you'll find this timer icon. Just tap it and now you got three options for timer: 2 seconds, 5 and 10 seconds. Just pick something if you want to enable timer. For example, I'm gonna pick 2 seconds. Now you can close this tab by tapping cross and you'll still see this timer icon on the top. So you can still see those 2 seconds or 5 or 10 on the top, meaning that the timer is on. Now all is left is to press camera shutter button and photo would be taken after 2 seconds or 5 or 10 depending on what you selected. Now we can close camera, open it again, and we still got timer. So if you want to disable it, then tap on four dots again, choose this orange icon, timer, and tap timer icon, this first one, so it won't be orange anymore. And now timer is disabled and you can manually take photos. If you cannot disable or enable timer, then reset camera app. For that, simply close it, open Recents, and now simply close it from Recents, like that, and open it again. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.